There are four different aspects or characteristics of value that must be considered, and I call these the four cardinal aspects of value. These four cardinal aspects are internal, external, stable, and flux. Internal value simply means that the value stems from within the object itself. An oven is valuable because it is able to heat up our food, and that value stems from the oven's ability itself. This is in contrast to external value, which comes from the outside of the object. Okay, so brand names is a perfect example of this. A brand name may have a greater value than a generic brand, not because of the item itself, but because of the fame and popularity of the brand. Stable means the value remains relatively unchanged regardless of changing external circumstances, while flux is the term for a value that is directly affected by those external circumstances. Now, this could confuse some people, so listen closely to what I am saying. I am not saying a stable value never changes. What I am saying is that external circumstances have little to no direct influence on a stable value. For example, the value of a childhood memory is not going to be directly influenced by external circumstances. It's true, a childhood memory will fade over time, and new information might change how a person values the memory. However, the external circumstances will never directly influence the stable value of that childhood memory. Indirectly, perhaps, but the person holding the memory will always hold the determining factor in how they value that memory, not some external factor. A perfect example of a value in flux would be gas prices, economy, supply and demand, stock market, Middle East politics, natural disasters, weathers, summers and holidays, weekends, and even speculation from the press. They can all have a direct effect on the price of gasoline on any given day. Hopefully, these examples have illustrated that we see and rate value in many different ways.